A woman is preaching or praying in the subway. I don't fully understand everything she says, but her words have the rhythm of rap or maybe hip hop. They sound like truth, and I allow the rhythm of her voice to carry me. Her admonitions and warnings about living a sinful life, or that is what I think. She screams, and I'm still going to be homeless. I hear that loud and clear. It doesn't sound like a complaint. It has the truth of knowledge, of poetry, of omens. We are riding the E train to Manhattan. World Trade Center is the last stop. A homeless man leans against my shoulder as the train sways turning, like a child, a friend, a lover I didn't have, returning home with me from a trip. This train is his home. I'm a guest in his land. He can lean on me all he wants. And us, the so-called civilized people, consumers, the employed ones, who have good credit and cards, traveling to the warmth of our hotels and homes. We are all immersed in our phones. Another reality, trying to stay away from whatever happens on the E train. I am Pablo. Thank you.